So first things first, I put the extensions on a tray lined with saran wrap. And I did this because I didn't want the tray to get ruined with the hair color because it stains pretty bad. You could also use a towel, but I feel like the towel just kind of soaks up all the hair color. So I would probably do this on a flat, hard surface with saran wrap, or even foil. That would work too. All you need is gloves, the hair color, bowl, brush, and something to protect your clothing or whatever you're doing it on. So I am applying the color really generously to the extensions. For some reason, I feel like extensions soak up a lot of hair color, and it takes a lot of product to actually saturate it. So I'm going over the top of the extensions first, making sure I'm coloring the weft as well, so the top of it is also colored, so it goes in with my roots. Then I'm just going to flip over the weft. As you can see, they're pretty thick, so it didn't fully saturate through the other side, so I need to go back and saturate the other side as well. So again, just really saturating the hair, making sure every hair is covered. So once you're done coloring all of the extensions, you're just going to set them to the side and let them process. That time varies between different brands of color. So this particular brand says to leave it on for 20 minutes. I'm actually going to leave it on for about 30. I'll just let it sit on and watch TV or, clean my house or do something. If it sits on for a long time, it's not going to hurt it. Remember, it's a non-oxidative dye, so it can't over-process. So here are my extensions. After I got done rinsing them out, look, my hands are all green. I laid them out flat on a towel, let them air dry, and then I took them to my coworker, and she put them in for me and cut them. So they were a little bit longer than this, but I cut like the stringy ends off, and because like when I put them in, they're not gonna be even. So she did that for me, and then she cut my actual hair to like blend them in because my hair needed to be trimmed as well. And so yeah, I normally wear my hair like this, so like I tuck behind my ears, so that's just how I put the extensions in. So for the most part, the color matches pretty well. There were some spots in the extensions, you might be able to see them, where like the color didn't take too well, and I think that's just because I didn't saturate that area enough. But I can always go back and put more color on, it doesn't matter. So yeah, my only tips for coloring extensions would be just make sure that they're fully saturated, you have enough color, because they do like soak up color really fast, like compared to regular hair for some reason. I don't know, be very gentle with them. So yeah, that's all I got to say. That's pretty much it. I got these extensions from VP Fashion. I will link them below. I will also give you my promo code, and that'll get you $10 off your purchase with VP Fashion. I mean, they're really great quality extensions. They feel really soft. And I got a lot of pieces with them. So like, I only used, I think 6 pieces, but I think I got like 10, maybe 8 to 10, I'm not sure. But there was a lot of hair in it, and I don't have a lot of hair, so I couldn't use every piece because that would just be too much. My head is small, so yeah, that's it. That's all we got.